Hey guys, welcome or welcome back. So today we will be dressing up my Labubus in their Chinese New Year outfits that I got a couple of weeks. I have three, one in purple, one in I think red and yellow, and in hot pink. And I've decided that I will be dressing up my special Labubus. This is a secret from the Have a Seat collection, version number 2. And then this is the 10th anniversary Labubu in the all black gear. And the purple Fortune of Wings of Fortune, this one is. So the three and into these, and the other Labubus are just in the background. That is the Have a Run Labubu for the horse here. I'll quickly show how he looks in the back with his mane and the Chinese knot. Purple's my favorite color, so I'm gonna leave the horse as is without any costume. And so yeah, I haven't decided which outfit goes to what, but I think I will. This one doesn't have a special packaging, so let me just bring this up. This is from one of the shops. And then my third outfit is a hot pink Lion King. I think I will dress up the black one, the 10th anniversary first, and I'm going to do this probably in silence with just ASMR. So let's get going. This is so super cute. Okay, let me put him right there, and then this one has a wing. I think I will put this one to my secret Labubu. Just remove it. Wait, I think I bought these for the mini Labubus. Looks like it might not fit. I'll be right back with a Pin for Love Labubu to see if these are fitting. Okay, I am back with 3 mini Labubus. One in red for the red lion head, and I will choose which purple to put if these are the correct sizes. So let me just put them there and try to fit this one.